to start those rollers. Speed control for that blue unit is on the gray box here, also labeled blue unit speed. So you can speed it up, you can hear it, speed up or slow down, whatever you want to do. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. In order to get your mating station running, a couple little tricks. First thing you have to do is activate your drive, which is the green button here. It will not start until you trigger this switch. After you trigger that switch, you got to turn on your pump. That turns on that vacuum pump down there, the blower, and that gives you your vacuum in between the belts. Check that by sliding your product in. Turn your drive on. Close that off again. And you can feel okay. Your side pusher here. Okay. So you can adjust that where you need to sideways. The sheet should come in, stop, and then get pushed over to the side. Want to see that? Before I drop the table. Do that manually for you really quick.
Perfect.
Okay. Table down into these grooves. You have to go down into the notch. Now you're ready for your top sheet. Top sheet goes there. You use this as your side guide. So you want to match up this position to where the bottom one pushes it over to. Essentially what will happen then, the bottom one is registered. Spit them out, and you can see here how nice and close we are on the lead edge and on the side. You can dial it in, get it right flush if you wanted to. That's how you get that registered.
Okay.
Okay? To start your conveyor belt, see here I've got a switch, conveyor belt on off, switch, and you'll then start your conveyor belt. Conveyor belt speed should be controlled by this potentiometer. Blue unit, keep things simple. If you look at the gap in between the two rollers, you can see it's a pretty big gap. That should be the same thickness of whatever substrate you have. So if you're running corrugate, you have to open it up. If you're running chipboard, you may have to close it. 24 point, you have to close it even more. If you want to feed a sheet, you got your feeder bar on off foot switch here. Push it once to start it, push it again to stop it. Push it. See how it's cycling now? And it's going to cycle on its own. I'm not feeding sheets yet because I didn't turn the pump on. So the feed bar is still going on its own because I didn't turn it off. If I want to turn the bar off, I have to hit the foot switch again. Now it shouldn't cycle. Always make sure before you feed a bottom sheet and the top sheet in the mating station ready to go. That's pretty much it.